This is a poem by William Cowper. To the Nightingale, which the author heard sing on New Year's Day, 1792. Whence is it that amazed I hear from yonder withered spray, this foremost morn of all the year, the melody of May? And why, since thousands would be proud of such a favor shown, am I selected from the crowd to witness it alone? Sing'st thou, sweet Philomel, to me, for that I also long have practiced in the groves like thee, though not like thee in song? Or sing'st thou rather under force of some divine command, commissioned to presage a course of happier days at hand? Thrice welcome then, for many a long and joyless year have I, as thou today, put forth my song beneath a wintry sky. But thee no wintry skies can harm, who only needst to sing, to make even January charm, and every season spring.